Volunteers for a nonprofit based in Menasha are out making some noise near Appleton's downtown. But as Kris Schuller tells us, when Habitat for Humanity comes to rock the block, it's a very good thing.
At a home off North State Street, volunteers hard at work painting McLean Lutke's porch, much in need of a fresh coat.
With, the hard times that everybody's dealing with nowadays, just a little help goes a long way.
From clearing away brush to fixing a broken fence, these home improvement projects are all part of the Greater Fox Cities Area Habitat for Humanity Rock the Block event running September 10th through the 12th. The goal here is to revitalize neighborhoods by improving housing stock.
We're going to be doing 26 projects, 21 of those are residential, so working on homes.
It's almost all exterior work, so that when you drive down the street and you look at the neighborhood, it looks better because it is better.
The first Rock the Block event was held back in 2015, and since that time, some 450 home improvement projects have been completed by volunteers.
Sort of like locusts on a millet field. We come, swarm in, get all the work done, and move on to the next project.
Rock the Block Outreach Coordinator Sarah Wiley says the work isn't done for free. Homeowners have to apply and, if chosen, need to make a payment up front.
We base it on income and home ownership because we want to make sure that we're investing in the homeowners already here.
In all, Habitat is investing $400,000 in the Appleton area, money to provide critical home repairs for people just like Lutke, who's so very grateful for the help.
It's amazing. I mean, they take their time out to help people that, are in need. And, you can't get any better than that.
In Appleton, Kris Schuller, Local 5 News.
And Habitat worked with city officials in Appleton to identify the neighborhoods where the projects are underway.